Governor Charlie Baker was in East Boston today, more specifically East Boston Neighborhood Health Center, with a very important message for our community.
It's critically important, if you've had the virus, that you still sign up and get vaccinated when it's your turn to protect you, your family members, and your friends.
I think the governor had a very clear message. Even if you had COVID, you have to get vaccinated because you might get it again. And not only that, again, you might spread it to your family, to your friends.
It's super important for us because we're one of the most affected communities. Our infection rate is super high. Our death rate has been super high, and we live in communities where, unfortunately, are high concentrations of people living within very confined areas that are more susceptible to the transmission of the virus.
I got vaccinated. I got my first shot, and I'm going to be getting my second shot on the 26th of this month. And my message to all our community is make sure you get vaccinated. If you don't speak English, get someone to translate for you. Get vaccinated. Save your life. Save the life of your family.
Governor also took a tour of the facilities here in East Boston Neighborhood Health Center, and he also met with CEO and President of East Boston Neighborhood Health Center, Manny Lopes.
Our team at the Health Center have worked really hard putting this all together. There's a lot of behind-the-scene work that happens. The call center, the IT systems, the nurses, the physicians, everyone who's involved in this takes a lot of work.
Another very important aspect and topic that was discussed today was the role that community health centers all around Massachusetts are going to play with regards to the distribution plan of the COVID-19 vaccine.
The hardest hit places in Massachusetts are places where our Black, brown, immigrant, and low-income residents live. There is no doubt in anyone's mind that these communities continue to bear the physical, emotional, and financial brunt of this pandemic. This will be a major effort, the biggest of any of us can ever recall in public health. Health centers will get it done, like we always do.
Charlie Baker's visit here to East Boston not only underscores the importance of getting the message out to the Black and brown communities, which have been hit hardest by the pandemic, but also are the least likely to want to get vaccinated, which is a health issue here in Massachusetts. For El Mundo Boston, I am Alberto Vasallo. El Mundo Boston will continue its coverage of the vaccine distribution plan through our campaign, La Vacuna Salva Vidas.